Hello all you Hellraisers out there. Got another mixed drink video for you guys today. Today is something special. It's one of my favorite drinks. It's one of my favorite cocktails out there. And it is none other than the Dirty Martini. Now, you can make this two ways. You can stir it or you can shake it. I prefer it stirred, so that's how I'm going to show you today. I got my glass chilling. I'm going to make the drink and then pull out my glass. Got my olives. Got a lot of olives. Got this at Food City. If y'all don't have Food City, you probably have some other food market. That's what we have down in the south. That's how it is. Now I probably won't have enough vermouth, but I'll show you what vermouth I'm working with. One of the more common ones. Also, probably the more popular ones as well. And then we got Amsterdam. I like London Dry Gin called Tranquery. I like that a little bit better than this. This isn't bad though. I like this. This is a really good replacement if you don't have the money or funds to get Tranquery, because Tranquery is a top shelf gin. So is Hendrick's. Haven't tried Hendrick's personally. I want to. I'm going to. And yeah, I'm gonna get some ice. Let's see. Just need one ice cube. One big block. I don't have an ice pick. If I did, I'd be smashing the thing up. Let me get my jigger. Yeet yeet. Alright. So, usually how I make this drink, I do about 2 ounces of gin. And this is a really good business drink. But it's also one of those drinks that you don't want to start out with. Because it's strong. Depending how your bartender makes it. I personally will make it strong because, well, I would say this is something you give your friends after you've downed a couple of shots or something. Or maybe, you know, a Jack and Coke maybe to start out with. Something light. That's just my personal opinion. I don't know. People make it different. So we're going to use the rest of this. So no need to the jigger. And I didn't have enough. I'm gonna my next mixed drink probably will be gin and tonic. So stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll have the other video I made, the Manhattan, and that's gonna be a really good one. I mean, that is a really good one. This is a popular drink among a lot of people. Now you're gonna give it about good. I haven't counted, but you're gonna give it about a good 10 stirs. You know. Let's bring in our glass that we've been chilling for a minute. You want to chill it because it's a drink that it's not built, you know, over ice. See, usually I'd have more. This is not a lot, but it's enough to get you there. It's a good sipping drink. One of the best gin drinks you can make. Got a bunch of recipes. Comment down below and let me know what recipes you'd like to see on the channel. Because we're all Hellraisers here, man. I'm just saying. Drop that in and you have a drink. Smooth. You want your mixed drink to be smooth. Now, this drink's simple. It's easy to make. If you have some simple, it's usually just 2 ingredients with some olives. Now the olives, if you let them sit in there, olives will get more alcohol flavor to it. It accents, both of them accents. You can put bitters in this too to make it a little bit twangy. But I didn't do that today for a multitude of reasons. But that is the filthy martini, or dirty martini as people say it. You can also make it with vodka. But with this drink, you want to have something smooth. This is a pretty smooth gin, but the vermouth is going to be always stout. It's going to be dry, it's going to be stout. Remember that. But you want something smooth because it's not going to be a diluted drink. It doesn't have ice in it. It's just the way it is. But yeah, stay tuned for more of this, mixology stuff. It's a passion of mine. I make mixed drinks. I love it. I'm not a bartender, but I did help my mom get her bartender license, so I got a really good insight. And I just like mixology. Do my research, as you can say, or you can tell. But you always want a strainer, always want a bar spoon, and a jigger. Those are the three things to start out with when you get a make your own homemade bar. Oh, and you can get a Boston shaker. I got the tip over here, but Boston shaker, what it is, it's this and then another end, and then it's different. It's how you shake it and how you like to shake it. That has a personal strainer, but which is very helpful. But stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe. God bless.